All right, just so you guys know, I'm gonna do this bit and I'm gonna do it and hopefully I don't destroy my station, but I'm doing this bit because I just thought of it and I thought it would be a great intro. I'll be right back. And Zeke here with another banger of a video. Let's go! Can't believe that worked. Anyways, Zeke here. Welcome back to Zeke's Tech Lab. Definitely had to change the name up. Anyways, we are back with a banger of a video. I have been waiting for this project probably since Thanksgiving, and as you can see, I am highly prepared. Goodie box came in the mail from good old Smiley Market. And let's just jump right into this. I will throw the intro in for you guys and let's not waste time. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we begin today's episode with a very rare sighting of a dirty right-hander. As you can see, in this Southern California jungle, it is pray or be prayed. Alright, and we are back at the desk. Everything is laid out for us. Today I'm going to be covering my first mesh LoRa radio, and that is going to be using the Heltec Wi-Fi LoRa 32V4. This is one powerful IoT maker board, and once we get it out the box, I'll let you guys know why. Alright, so big shout out to Little Zeke for letting me use his action figures arm for today's pointer. We're going to kick things off with the MCU. This is the ESP32S3. It's going to power everything on the board. Now, don't think CPU or a, single board computer. Think of this as a smart appliance with a very smart brain. And then moving down here, we have the 2.4 gigahertz IPEX connecting port. Below that, we have the two JST connectors for the battery and solar power. And that is going to be managed by the IP5306 Power Management IC, a very reliable and proven PMIC. Above that, at the very top, we have the GNSS interface. That's for our GNSS module that I'll be showing you guys in a little bit. Flipping the board over, at the very bottom we have our reset button, our USB-C port for flashing and charging. We have our user button on the left. We have a very good 0.96 OLED display. And then at the very top is another IPEX connector, and that's for our LoRa antenna. The Heltec V4 can also pair with the L76K Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS receiver module. It's the location chip that figures out position using satellites. With that description, the easiest scenario you would use this kit for is long-range off-grid communication, and I'll show you how. Now, although I am itching to break down the differences between the two communities that we have for organized LoRa communication, we will have to wait until another vid strictly to educate you, the good people, on what is Meshtastic and what is MeshCore. Now, I am a huge MeshCore fan for reliability's sake, but there are big things coming for the Meshtastic community. So for this demo, we will be going with MeshCore. That's right, baby. You thought I was going to say Meshtastic. Nope, dark side all day, baby. Under the bed, dark. Let's go. All right, so we are at the tech mat, about to assemble the build. I apologize for the background noise. I actually have the printers going because I do not know what colorway I'm going to go with yet. I might go all gray, or I might go, and I'm going to call this the War Machine. I might go gray back, red accent with the somewhat translucent blue. This is Micro Center's Inland Electric Blue. Anywho, let's get this thing put together. So what I'm going to do first is flip the board around actually. I'm going to connect the 2.4 gigahertz antenna that comes with the kit. Alright, and then I'm going to bring this back around to the front. I'm going to go ahead and connect our IPEX cable to SMA connector. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and grab the front case and get this all situated. Also, check what just finished printing. They're a little ashy. One sec. All right, very nice. Check that out. All right. Oh, and I will go ahead and leave the designer's name in the corner, and then leave the link to the file on, I think this was printables. All right, so upon further review, I have decided this is obviously the cleaner look, but War Machine is still a good idea. So for the people that only have 60 seconds to spend on my channel, I'll go ahead and throw this build on the YouTube shorts. Either way, they're both sick, but let us press on. All right, and unfortunately, this is a case where you do have to remove the screen. I might repurpose the case on my own offline, just so I can add a little bit of protection. You know what I mean? It's a screen protector, why not have it? But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Shout out to Temu, 3-day shipping for an $8 glorified screwdriver, bro. Let's go, link in the description. Oh, dude, this thing's kind of torquey. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. Oh no! Alright, that did in fact just happen. Moving forward, the other cable that I had was a little bit too thick for the braid, so I went with the most flexible cable that I could. Where is it? Let's get this guy situated. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, after a quick trip to my local Home Depot for some 7/8 inch number 4 brass self-tapping screws, I give you my very first Mesh LoRa radio. I think the brass screws are, you know, they're a plus. This thing almost looks like a vape. Alright, so before we do anything, we need to connect our newly assembled device to our computer. We are then going to head over to MeshCore's website, specifically their firmware flasher. We are going to select our device, the Heltec V4. We're going to select Companion. And once that is complete, before the install, you do have an opportunity to erase your device and start completely new, giving you a new identity code. Once that's done, we can head over to our phone. We can then connect a Bluetooth device to our phone. I won't be able to test the communication tonight. Definitely give you guys updates on YouTube Shorts. Go ahead and stay tuned for those, but I appreciate you guys rocking with me through the entire build. Please subscribe, comment in the comment section. I love communicating with you guys. It's always a fun time. But yes, I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, sorry, Kakashi.